It's Harlan Hildebrand here with Lode King Industries. Today we're happy to announce a new offering for the Renown series. We've been asked for years to add this offering to our lineup, and today we're happy to announce that we have done that, and we'd like to take you on a walk around on our new 53-foot Renown series with a JP Rail. In previous models, we offered the JP Rail both in a drop deck or a step deck version, as well as our B-Train models. Now we've expanded that offering to allow it to be used up to a 53-foot flatbed in the Renown series. For those that have not seen this rail before, extruded piece of aluminum that allows us to go to the full 102 width of the trailer, so you have no exposed stake pockets or rub rail to the outside of the trailer. As you see, we've cut in the stake pockets into the JP Rail itself, and they're fastened on the bottom, give you a nice clean flush surface on the top. We've got two larger extrusions to allow protection for the conspicuity tape when the straps come over the top, or a forklift loading from the side. You've got that protection for the actual side rail itself. The Renown series, as many of you know, we offered in a drop deck and a flatbed with a 7-inch or 6-inch side rail with the exposed. This is a full 102 wide trailer, so you've got the ability to load the trailer from outside to outside. This customer chose to add the 24-inch stake pockets. You do have the option of spreading the stake pocket from 24 to 48 inches, and we can put a chain pullout in between those spacings to give you another tie-down point. Pull-out lights are mounted inside of the rail to avoid contact, especially in the front of the trailer. Should a forklift be loading you, it just gives you extra protection so you're not contacting this as well. It can come out well past the outside of the trailer, giving you full visibility. It locks in, it'll slide in again inside of the rail and protected from any rocks and debris should they be inside of the trailer as well. Another option you'll see are these tarp hooks that are welded onto the bottom of the rail. This trailer is equipped with 3-bar winches, which is the only winch that's available on the JP Rail trailer. It is rated as a 5,000-pound winch. And in between every winch, we do offer a hook as well for you to throw that strap over. We also do have a chain tie bar underneath the trailer that allows you to another tie-down point as well. This particular model comes standard with 12-inch aluminum cross members. You'll notice the lights are recessed into this small protected. I talked about the protection of the JP Rail. It also allows no contact to the lights should a forklift come to the side of the trailer as well. So again, it's spaced in between. There should be no straps interfering with this light. You'll notice this is a full light package, so we've got 7 lights going down each side. You'll notice this trailer's got the lighting package. An option that you do have is adding this trim ring around your lights. This particular customer has chosen to add the extra 5 lights in the fill plate above the Lode King logo as well. That is an option. That's actually a separate option to the lighting package, so make sure you ask for it if you would like to have that ordered to your trailer. Just above the strobe lights, we've built in an additional dunnage area for you to mount your dunnage. It swings down on a gate, perforated steel inside of here to allow any debris or whatever you may have on your dunnage to fall through and drop to the ground. Another great place to have some extra storage, and it tucks in everything away safely with a latch in the back as well. An important feature to note on this trailer also is a bolt-on bumper option. It is an upgrade, very reasonably priced. Should you bend a bumper, you can call our parts department. We'll send you out a bumper. It'll bolt right up into your existing trailer, and no cutting, no welding. Just a great added value to your trailer. This particular unit is equipped with the Hendrickson in-track system. You do have 2 wheel end packages that we do offer that are in-house Lode King product. The oil-filled wheel end, or you do have a semi-fluid wheel end package available, which is featured on this unit together with the Tire Max Pro. Again, Tire Max Pro is an inflate-deflate system. It will deflate as you overinflate your tires as you're rolling down the highway. You will also notice, and we've touched on it briefly, is the all aluminum knee braces that run through the trailer, not just down to the side rail. There is a cross brace between our main rails of the trailer to keep that trailer as stable as possible. The flooring on this particular unit is a fir floor, which is our standard offering. You do have the option of going to a hardwood floor or an all aluminum floor. On the center of the trailer, we do offer a second light just for added visibility. This also acts as a signal light. It's a mid-mount turn signal as well to give you just a little extra safety and visibility. Just below, you'll notice this customer chose to mount the 9-foot aluminum dunnage rack. Another great option for storing all that extra wood and whatever you have to haul along. We also have a 60-inch toolbox. Another great area for storage for your tarps, straps, etc. It's got a cam lock opening, lots of usable space as well. It's mounted very sturdily. It has a knee brace style mount to your side rail. This toolbox, you'll notice, is inset of the side rail and it just allows extra protection when you're side loading the trailer. We offer a 60-inch box. There's also a 48-inch box that's 24 inches deep instead of the 30 that we show today. Again, those are some of the options that are available on the market today. Just ahead of the toolbox, we have also mounted chain hangers. Give you another nice storage. You don't have to throw those chains into your toolboxes. So this unit we've equipped with a chain hanger on either side of the trailer. On this trailer as well is how nicely the chamfered corner will fit into the side rail, giving you a nice smooth finish going to the back. Again, this is offered on any of our JP Rail trailers, but it's something I thought I'd touch on again today, just the fit and finish of how this rail looks. And if you have a look along the rail, it's just a beautifully finished rail. We use the Holland Mark V landing gear. It's been a long time member of our trailer lineup in the Renown series as well. Just ahead of the suspension group, we do mount the air box as well. Again, it's inset as well to protect it from anything contacting it from the side. We do have a lighted option as well in this trailer, a dump valve, as well as a lights switch as well to turn on the rear strobe lights, as well as an air chuck should you need an air source for whatever you may need to use on the trailer as well. We talked briefly about the brake pot belting that's on this trailer. There are additional belt options that are available. You can add a flap ahead of your suspension. We do offer a 4-across mud flap ahead of your landing gear to protect your landing gear and everything that's behind it. Again, that's a customer preference and an option available as well to the end user. Arlen here, and I would like to thank you for joining us today as we walk through this exciting new product. You can contact your local dealers and we'd be happy to give you more information.